I mentioned these legacy quests and suggested moving straight down the list. Bad suggestion. Look, if you're a new student, you want to learn how to use Illustrator, working straight down this list, this is Illustrator, Illustrator, Illustrator. Okay? And when it says Shapescape and Photoshop, I'm teaching you Photoshop skills, but with Shapescape, and you'll figure out what Shapescape and Zax apps are. You have the ability to work in Illustrator as well. When you get down to the blurs and the master pixels, these are pure Photoshop. Okay, there's no Illustrator involved here. Well, there is a little bit in master pixels, but the 102 master pixels, if you're interested in this, there's a lot of great techniques in this, but there's some unnecessary steps that you can get around by doing the 102, but you're going to miss some of the skill sets here. So you might actually go backwards, do this one and then this one. Just explore. And I understand if you're a new student, you're going to produce less work and you may not get very far. That's why the work's in progress. Posting something, hey, I'm just learning. And this is what I did this week. These are 3 images showing the evolution of my learning. That's what I want you to post on your DPE. And just add quickly that I mentioned Zax Apps 5000 and Shapescape. I said Shapescape's better than this one. This is only one video, and it's a good one as far as leveraging pixels more effectively goes. But in Zax Apps, where I have you enlarge that PDF massively, if you're on a small computer, it's not going to work for you. Okay, the small screens. There's 4 of them in the room. So just understand that's probably not the best way to go. So this technique here in combination with Zax Apps will work really well for making a 5,000 pixel square Photoshop document. So when you're working in Illustrator, just to give you a heads up, the size of your file, the size of the artboard is not important because we can scale these things infinitely. If you're working in Photoshop, the size of the document does matter. If you're confused, ask the people next to you. If they don't know, ask me, okay? I want to help you guys succeed, and I know it's a tough deal coming in here late in the school year and being expected to pick up where everybody else is, but you're exceptional and you can do it. As the cat walks across the keyboard. All right, have a great day.